Students, today we are going to learn revision of level 2. But before starting your chapter, I tell you one story. Do you want to listen? Story is chocolate here, chocolate there, chocolate everywhere. The story it's depend on chocolates. The boy name is Polu. Polu every day want to eat chocolates. So this story, the character name is Bolu and his mother. Everyone likes chocolates, but 8-year-old Bolu wanted them all the time. His mother told him about the bad effects of eating too many chocolates. I know you all are eating chocolates, but it is very bad for you. But he never listened. You also never listen to your mother, I know. One day, his mother did not give him any chocolate. Bolu was sad and began sulking. He started rolling a cricket ball in his hand. Suddenly, look at this picture. Who is here? Jenny. So who comes? Jenny. Suddenly, a Jenny appeared and asked him to make a wish. Bolu immediately said, whatever I touch should turn into chocolate. It means जो चीज़ को मैं टच करूँगा तो वो किस क्या होना चाहिए चॉकलेट. Then I can eat chocolates all the time. The Jenny said, wish granted. Means your wish is granted. Bolu want to taste his wish. He touched his pencil and exclaimed, wow! The pencil has turned into chocolate. He went and touched everything around him. He got a chocolate sofa, chocolate table, chocolate door, and so on. His happiness knew no bounds. His sister came running towards him and hugged him. His sister turned into chocolates. Look at this figure. His sister turned into chocolate. Why she is turned into chocolate? Because Jenny wishes from Jenny. Everything turned into the chocolate. So that's the reason Jenny's sister turned into chocolate. Now, this was something he did not accept. He want to drink some water. The water to turn into chocolate. If every time you eat chocolates, no, it is not possible. But sometimes you want to need some water. But here what happened? The the Bolu water turned into chocolate. He ran here and they're crying. Now next, look at a very beautiful point here. The alarm clock started ringing. He was scared to touch it. Then he suddenly heard his mother say, Bolu, get up, you will be late for school. Bolu got up and was about to say, Ma, do not touch me. You will turn into chocolate. But before he could say anything, his mother touched his forehead and asked him to get up. At your home, your mother always wake up you to touch you into your forehead. Surprising, she did not turn into chocolate. वहीं पे क्या सरप्राइज हुई, उसकी मदर चॉकलेट में टर्न हुई नहीं थी। क्यों नहीं हुई वो आपको देखना है स्टोरी में। ही टच एवरीथिंग अराउंड हिम वन आफ्टर द अदर, द बेड शीट, द टेबल, द डोर, एंड exclaimed, thank God it was just a dream. Why his mother not turn into the chocolate? Because this time his mother wake up to Bolu. Go for wake up to Bolu. So that time Bolu just see a dream. So in the Bolu dream, she watched the Jenny and want to some wishes. Everything turn onto the chocolate. So this is so here Bolu see some dreams. He got up and did his morning chores. He ate the breakfast that his mother had prepared and never demand chocolates all the time again. He realized what he realized the importance of listening to his mother. He ate his favorite food in small around and was not greedy ever again. What you learn from this story? In this story, we learn every time we must be listen our mother. So here what we learn, the importance of listening to our mother. Now move to our topic. Here your topic is input and output devices. But before starting before starting your input and output device, I put it here some activities. Look at this tree. So this tree is coconut. This is our input. But do you know from coconut what we want? We get cornet. So this is your output. Sunflower is your input. From sunflower what we got? Oil. Banana, what we got? Banana leaf to serve food. Mango, so from mango we made pickle. Sandalwood, incense sticks. Teak, dar, from bamboo. Flute, jackfruit, we made sitar. Willow, we made cricket bat. So this is the topic of input and output. These all things, this is the tree name, it is the input, and what we got from tree, so this is your output part. So in your topic, input device allow us to send information to the computer. It means with the use of input device we can enter the data into the computers. Just example, with the use of keyboard, I want to calculate 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So first what I am doing, first I put it 1, I press 1 plus 2. So in your PC you get the CPU start the process and give your result. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So here this is the topic of input, processing and output. So what is output? Output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. Output may be printouts from the printer, sound from the speakers, or images on the monitor. So this is the part of output. Now move to another point, CPU. CPU, what is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. So CPU controls all the input and output device connected to it. What is the work of CPU? CPU control all the input and output device. So CPU called brain of the computer. A device has to be connected to the CPU to send or receive information. The CPU is neither an input nor an output device. It takes the information given by the input devices, does the work and send the result to the output devices. Now, next topic, safe computer practice. Use computers for only half an hour at a time. Use computers for not more than 1 hour per day. Do not touch power cables and ensure that they are insulated. Do not put fingers or objects into the power socket or other sockets. Now, next point, files and folders. So, what is file and what is folders? File can be moved into folder by using drag and drop method. File is a collection of data and folder is a collection of files. So how we create files and folder? Those steps here. The desktop has activity and folder icons. The icon can be rearranged by using the drag and drop action. New folder can be created and also be moved to different location on the desktop. How we create a folder? So first of all, we start our PC, then after press the right key of mouse, then after one dialog box are open. So from here there you click on new option, create new folder. Then after you apply the name of your folder. Okay. Next, in a previous standard, I already explained you about the keyboards. Keyboard have many keys. But do you know what is keys? So here I am explaining you. The small button on the keyboard are called keys. There are approximately 100 and 104 keys are available. So here I am explaining you the types of keys. Here alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, caps lock key, backspace key, delete key, arrow key, page up key, page down, and etc. So, what is alphabet keys? So, with the use of alphabet keys, we can type a letter. How many alphabet keys are available into our keyboard? There are 26 alphabet keys are available into our computer. Now, what is number key? Numbers key. Number keys are used to type numbers. It is start from 0 to 9 digit. Now, next question, next topic, backspace key. What is the use of backspace key? A backspace key is used to erase some characters. Now, next, what is delete key? Delete key is used to delete a letter to the right of the cursor. Now, if I move our page up and down, then we use arrow up key. If we want to move our page down, then we are using page down keys. Next, file option. Editing text using computers. So, in previous standard, I already explained you, I already teach you the Notepad and WordPad. So, the Notepad is a text editor program. So what we do in Notepad, first of all we can write into the Notepad, then after we save. First of all, we create a new file, then after we write into the file, then we save our file, then after we open, print, everything option I already explained you, but here I am short little bit explain you. New is used to open a new file. Then open is used to open an existing file. Save is used to save the file after completing the worksheet. Print. You want to print some files, then you can use print option. Quit is to closely an activity. It means accept key. Here you also use accept. Editing option. Making changes to written text is called editing. If you want to some edit in your text, so it is the topic of editing. Now copy paste. So what is copy paste? Copy means to copy text and paste it means paste in another location. The shortcut key of copy is Ctrl plus C and for paste it is for Ctrl plus V. Now next point, what is cut and paste? So cut means remove text from a location and paste it in another location. Means if you want to remove your text from file number 1 and then you want to paste your text into file number 2. So what we do, press from keyboard you press Ctrl plus X plus V. Now any editing done to the text can be undone using undo. So here we are using Ctrl plus Z. This is the basic shortcut key of operate a text document file. Now your next topic, how we start up and shut down our computer. You already know. First, switch on the power supply button, then after place the power supply button, then after you press on your CPU, then after you press your computer screen, then your PC is start. But in your PC there are some username and password. So what we do, select the user, then you apply username and password. Now shut down. Shut down is the action of closing all the activities and shutting down the computer. How we are shut down our PC? So first we are going to place on start button, then after you click on shut down option. Okay, here I am putting some neck exercise. I hope you everyone enjoy here. Your chapter is finished here, but now your exercise part and your writing exercise portion is remaining. First, you everyone stand up with you and your parents. If your parents are available at your home, then and then. Otherwise, you only do it. First, stand up, then down your neck into right side, straight, left side. Then other activities, stand straight. Second step, look into the downside, straight, and look into the upside. So this is activity for your neck. Now here the activity of hand exercise. Straight hand, put your hand into your elbow, straight. Now straight hand, put your hand into elbow and put your hand into both sides. Now other activity, stand up, hands straight, fold your fingers, then turn it. So I hope you everyone enjoy this activity. Now, here this is the topic input and output devices. Input device part of mobile devices. This is the topic of your mobile devices. So in your mobile touch screen, on screen keyboard, mic, back and front camera, speaker, they all are the input device, and in output device your display, it's called your output device. What is the use of touchscreen? We touch the touchscreen to ask the mobile device to perform a task. On-screen keyboard, with the use of on-screen keyboard, we can enter and we can type something on the mobile device. Mic, with the use of mic, we can record our sound. Back and front camera, with the use of back and front camera, we click photos. Speakers, we can listen to sound together to the speaker. Now display, the mobile device show information on the display. File and folder, I already explained you. A file manager is an app that let us view the files and folders stored in our mobile devices. So here this is the picture of file manager. I know you everyone open into your phone. Now, how we turning on and off a mobile devices? So this is a power button. A mobile device can be switched on and off using the power button. Look at this figure. This is your power button. This is mark on the red pen. When a mobile device is switched off, press and hold the power button to switch it on. Now, next point, your worksheet. I hope you everyone write down in your notebook. State where the true or false. A mouse is the output device of computer. No. So here we write false. It is a input device. Folder are used to organize files on a computer. Yes. Here you tick true. The caps lock key is used to type letters in lowercase. No. Here you write false, because with the use of caps lock key we can write capital letter. Next, booting is the sequence of action performed by the computer while starting. True. Password should be kept as secret. Yes, so here you write true. Now further this exercise we write into the next lecture. Thanks to listen me.